Hello beautiful souls. Welcome to White Tiger Qigong's channel. I'm Mai, your guide on this journey to wellness. Today, we're diving into the enriching world of Rabbit Springs Qigong, where ancient wisdom meets modern well-being. In this exclusive segment, we unveil the captivating fusion of gentle colon massage, full body stretch, and the empowering lion's breath technique, a combination that promises to elevate your Qigong experience to new heights. As you gracefully move through the motions, feel the gentle massage in the colon, a unique aspect of Rabbit Springs Qigong. This not only aids in digestion but also stimulates your body's natural detoxification processes, contributing to a healthier gut and a more robust immune system. The rhythmic flow of these movements creates a symphony of wellness, harmonizing your mind and body. Incorporating these Qigong exercises into your routine not only stimulates your immune system but also invites a profound sense of vitality into your daily life. Rabbit Springs Qigong isn't just an exercise, it's a holistic experience, a journey towards a healthier and more resilient version of yourself. So, join me as we unravel the intricacies of Rabbit Springs Qigong. Whether you're a curious beginner or a seasoned practitioner, let this routine will be your gateway to a world of well-being. Don't forget to subscribe now and embark on this enriching journey with Rabbit Springs Qigong, where each movement tells a story of health, vitality, and self-discovery. So get ready and let's begin.
Begin your warm-up by shaking your arms and legs, releasing any tension you hold. Bounce gently, palms facing inward, then outward. Twist your torso and shake your body quickly and lightly, engaging your core muscles. Breathe deeply, holding the Qi energy for a moment. Inhale, feeling the expansion. Then exhale, condensing your Qi ball. Then exhale to fully relax. Arch your back with an inhale. Then exhale and round it. Open your chest on an inhale. Then draw it inwards with an exhale. Exhale as you twist your arms and look back. Releasing and returning to center with an inhale. Don't forget to stretch your eyes. Rub your palms together to generate warmth, then lay them gently on your kidneys. Draw circles with your tailbone, gradually expanding the movements. Once you have ached your fullest circle, begin to spiral your movements inwards. Then reverse the direction. Reach for the sky with your palms facing upwards. Bend forward and then hold your elbows gently. Relax and release your arms. Roll up your back, engaging your core. Place your hands on your lower back, squeeze your glutes, and arch your back. Slowly return to a neutral position. Then inhale to open your chest and exhale to stretch your spine. Allow yourself to relax and drop your head forward. Inhale and pull your tailbone down to lengthen your spine. Then exhale and open your chest towards the sky. Release. Spread your arms wide and hug yourself, reaching your heels towards the ceiling. Tap your hands on your lap as you inhale to open your body. Then exhale to draw your lower abs inwards. Bring your hands to eye level, sending good qi, then tap once more. Gently guide your qi down to your dantian. Now, review dragon back. Tuck your tailbone and wave your spine upwards. Then sit comfortably on a chair. Tuck your tailbone again and open your chest before sitting. Continue these movements smoothly. To practice the first part of rabbit springs, begin in a horse stance with your feet shoulder-width apart and knees slightly bent. Tuck your tailbone and arch your back slightly, then sit on a chair. Repeat, tucking your tailbone and using dragon back to open your chest towards the sky before sitting. Remember, each part of your abdomen connects to specific organs. This chart illustrates acupuncture points related to different organs. Start your massage by massaging your right lower abdomen in a clockwise direction with your fingertips, pressing upwards, sideways, and downwards. Repeat this massage for 8 points. Release any tension with each movement. Step back into a horse stance. Tucking your tailbone and arching your back. While massaging your abdomen, add lion's breath by sticking your tongue out, activating the connection to your heart. Imagining any stagnant energy leaving your body. Open your chest and relax your neck and shoulders. Massage from right to left. Then downwards. Finally, step your feet together to close the stance and bring your qi down to your dantian. Thank you so much for joining today's practice. I hope that you enjoyed it and see you again next time.